Coffee Latte, Cafe Mocha, Espresso Martini, Caramel Cappuccino. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker lets you create delicious coffeehouse drinks in one simple touch. Be your own barista, brewing rich espressos, aromatic cappuccinos, and decadent lattes in minutes. The 15 bars of pressure and automatic milk frother ensure fabulous results. To begin, fill the water reservoir and slide it into the unit. Pour the milk of your choice in the milk reservoir. Next, place the single or double shot filter inside the portafilter, depending on the type and size of your beverage. Add the espresso grounds, tamping them down firmly, and attach the portafilter to the unit. Place your cup under the brew head and aim the frothed milk dispensing tube towards the center of your cup. If making espresso, use the height adjustment tray for smaller demi-tasse cups. Adjust the froth amount to match your choice of beverage or foam preference. And using the one-touch preset buttons, select your desired beverage and size by pushing the corresponding button. Voila! The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker does the rest. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker, bringing the coffeehouse experience home.
In order to properly clean the steam wand, you must begin by removing the nozzle from the steam wand. Thoroughly clean the nozzle with a warm, damp cloth. Then run the nozzle under warm water. Using a needle, clean the openings on both sides. Dry the nozzle and replace by inserting it back onto the steam wand. It is recommended that the steam wand be cleaned every 200 coffees, or approximately every 3 months.